Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete your comment on a post or a video in the Instagram app. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, be sure to put your likes, and also write comments at the end of this video. So, let's get to our topic. First, on your phone, open up the Instagram app. Next, you'll need to go to your profile. And now in the top right corner, tap on the three bars. So, you will need to select your activity from the menu. And if after you clicked on the three bars, you went straight to a page like this, a menu like this, where settings and privacy. You'll also have to scroll down and find your activity. It just might be a little bit different settings in the Instagram app itself and the Instagram app. So after you've gone into your activity, go to comments. And that way, you'll see absolutely all the comments that you've left throughout the entire time you've been using the Instagram app. As you can see, I don't have a lot of them, but if you have a lot of them, you'll be able to just flip through them to find the comment that's relevant to you. You'll also be able to sort them however you like. For example, you can also choose by date. Look at comments from the last week or month as you like. And let's say if you find a comment that you would like to delete, you need to click on that comment first. And that will take you straight to the post you left the comment on. To delete it, on your iPhone, you just swipe from the right side to the left side. Or tap on the comment and you'll get a menu like this, and you choose Delete. Again, it just depends on the settings in Instagram and also what model of iPhone you have, because I have an iPhone 10 for example, so I have to tap on the comment to delete it that way. As you can see, the comment was immediately deleted, and if I go back to the list of all the comments, I now have one less. Friends, this is the simple way you can quickly delete your comments on anything post or video in the Instagram app. I really hope this video was useful and helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes, and also write your comments. See you soon.